Hello everyone, welcome to my third video. Welcome back to the channel, KJHE X-Bar MMD. Enjoy the video, like if you did, and subscribe to see more. Okay, I'm gonna try and get through this as fast as I can, but we'll see. This is a typewriter, Royal brand. Now, when I press a key, a series of linkages moves a lever on the type basket, which goes through this ribbon and it prints a letter. This lever will change the color. If I press this button, it shifts it down. That's why the shift button is called the shift button. This mechanism locks the shift button down. It's called shift lock. You may know it as caps lock. These are also arranged so that they won't knock into each other. That is why your keyboard looks all wobbly and not a perfect grid. Backspace moves it back a space. Spacebar moves it forward a space. If I spam it, that bell means you're getting close to the end of the line. If I keep going, it just doesn't go anymore. But if I press margin release, it lets me keep going. I don't know what touch control does. Please tell me in the comments if you know. This button does something and this does something, but I don't know what those do either. Now we have this, the carriage. These let you see, more specifically, what it is that you're typing. And they do a little flicky thing when I press this button. Now this turns. This is how it's supposed to turn. You can move it, it moves, you know. Hold on. Okay. This is just a tab button. Oh, you can't see that, it's off camera. Whatever, it's the same thing as this, but on the other side. This big lever over here moves the entire thing down. And also moves the roller down. This is how you want if you want single spaced, double spaced, or triple spaced. Now this lever removes the clickety-clackety motion that you have before. Makes it more smooth. This, so I don't have a piece of paper in here, but if I were to have a piece of paper in here, you would see that this locks the paper down. Unlocks the paper. Magic margin, that does something. I don't know, well, I know what it does, but I don't know how to use it. And this is how you put paper in. And then you close it up. Or in order to put paper in, you would do this. Actually, I'll show you. Ignore the random crap that's on this paper. This is... It's all folded and stupid. There. Well, that's your fairly brief overview of this Royal typewriter. Have a good day. Adios.